Confuse me, eh? Tell me why they confuse me. Your body too attractive. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me here again. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Shopping Girl in Transit, and my name is Ifoma. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I'm sure you already subscribed to this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, I know I don't really acknowledge you guys enough, but I want you to know that it really means a lot that you always come back to my content, and you have a special spot in my heart, you know. So in today's video, I'll be telling you guys how to spot a proper Lagos big boy, and I'm going to tell you guys how to also spot the ones that are living under the illusion of a big boy. So without losing any more time, let's just get started. So when you see a big boy, what really comes to your mind? All those designers come first, like your Louis Vuitton shoes, your Prada bag, your Gucci wristwatch, your Rolex, the Balenciaga set, and all that shit. So today I'm just going to tell you how to spot a proper Lagos big boy, and how to spot the ones that are living under the illusion of a big boy. All because of what? Because of what? What? Just answer me. Because of what? So, first, how do you know one? So big boys don't do shitty cars. So they cannot be caught dead in a car that middle income earners can afford. See cars like Toyota Camry, Honda Accord, and all that. You know what I'm trying to say. They cannot be caught in those kind of cars, those Japanese cars. So they deal with Mercedes Benz, Range Rover, G-Wagon. See the way I'm pronouncing it. Those are what they deal with. And you see those ones that are forming to the big boys. They just go with the flow. You can buy car keys. I think they sell just car keys now, right? Yes. You just go and buy it and be using it to gain the spotlight anywhere they go to. I'm coming to that car key aspect very, very soon. See, another one is that you see all those agbada, all those kaftans. That is the Lagos big boy uniform. See those properly well starched ones, not those ones that you've worn for years that are in your wardrobe. Those ones, they no follow. Those are no follow. What I'm trying to say is that you see all those agbada that you wear like this, your ego will not swell up. Shoulder pads. No. Okay, there's no shoulder pads now. But I'm just exaggerating. But you see, their uniform is agbada, well starched, very white. The keyword very, very white. Once that I've now wear it, they just go and find better slippers to use it to knock it. Then when they are going, they don't go alone. No. They have a squad. Man, their shades too. Don't forget their shades. That's so important too. They say there's nothing bad like going out looking like a senator that just received this monthly allowance. You know. So another factor is the multiple phone factor. The Lagos big boy. See, before I get into that one, there's this stereotype that is going around right now that it's the Android user maltreatment. See, I don't know what that thing is, but fam, it doesn't make any sense. Honestly, it doesn't. Because why will you tell me that because you're an Android user, you're not be a Lagos big boy? See, fellow Android users, don't worry. You are still part of the Lagos big boys, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that Lagos big boy has multiple phones, like about 2 iPhones, latest ones. Latest ones. Then what's that latest Samsung? Is it Samsung 20 or Samsung S10? S10, S20, or S10? See, I don't know, but you know, 2 trendy iPhones, a Samsung phone, and everything. There must be active lines. See, for it to be a Lagos boy, most people don't care about what you do. Feel like doing legitimate shit. more. They don't actually care what you're doing. You know, they just want you to flaunt your money. So they just want you that once you're out, just flaunt those really expensive phones and your khaki. This is where the khaki comes again. Once just get to maybe like all those really fancy restaurants, just drop your khaki on the table. See, if it's about being a Lagos big boy on a budget, you don't really need to have a car. Just go buy the khaki, drop it. You can keep living like that for like 2 weeks. Nobody will know that you don't have a car. But very soon they will catch you. They'll arrest you. I said this. I said this video will bear you witness.
Chubby girl like the thing here. I changed location because I knew it was kind of noisy and I needed privacy because people were looking into my soul. They're looking at a beauty, a spec, and a global meme. Please subscribe.
Some so-called Lagos big boys cannot afford to pay for their house rent. So they would rather go and buy G-Wagon or Range Rover and flaunt. Because in Lagos, nobody actually cares where you live. As soon as you come out, flaunt those flashy things, those big toys, those moolah. You're good. So some of them even sleep in their cars. Don't be surprised. See, these things are reality. They happen. So the so-called big boys that are living on the budget are lucky enough to have some friends that live on the island. So they just squat to them, live with them, and it just happens to look like they are comfortable. They have an apartment of their own, but they don't. They are living and squatting with their friends. Some of them even go as far as renting a room in Eco Atlantic. You see those nice pictures they post? Don't be deceived. Don't. They went to rent it though.
Wait, what? Are you guys seeing this in 150k per day?
Wait, they don't have a place, so they're living from hotel room to hotel room. Another Lagos big boy factor. See, speak with an accent or two. See, the strangest things about being a Lagos big boy is that no one really expects you to stay in Lagos. You can visit from time to time, like from the overseas or from the abroad, wherever you stay. You can just visit like some certain holidays, just come back, visit, and do all those shits I've listed before. So, how the Lagos big boys separate themselves from the accidental millionaires is to throw in one or two accents. See, what's a better way to convince people that you just came back from the America than throwing in your OAP upgrade accents? See, this life, no balance at all. Most times they just do all these things to make you guys reason them like they are living their best life. See, they are not even living anything close to quarter of their best life. They just want to come all flashy, all la vida loca, but deep down, see, some of them have been drinking guy in their house. You don't know. I share all those ones that are living on a budget. Lagos big boys on a budget. The accidental millionaires are actually better than them, honestly. Another factor is they said makeup is to girls, while beards is to guys. They are the ones that mostly patronize all these Instagram influencers that sell glow oil, hair growth oil. They go and buy this hair growth oil because they are lacking in their kind of makeup. Yes, it's just a kind of makeup for them, and it's a really big factor. Sunglasses.
Confuse me. Tell me why you confuse me, your baby. Your body too attractive. Now why you did me a good day, and I'm not to come another day. I go to call my baby, and together we go to no fade away.
Why are you in confusion? Do you learn Kung Fu? Why are you letting Lagos big boys confuse you? Why are you confused? Tell me why they confused. Both the actual Lagos big boys and the ones that are living on a budget, they're the ones that will carry their self and go to club. See, one thing about these Lagos big boys, they don't only club on Fridays. Every day of the week is a day of club for them. What's the most popular club in Lagos? I don't know, but the ones I really hear most times is Chilox. They party all week. They party all day. Okay, not all day because they actually have timetables when to go to fancy restaurants to flaunt their their kidney. They flaunt their kidney now, don't you know? I already told you guys. Then the last thing I want to talk about is body count. You and I know that it's a thing of ego, pride. When you have a really high body count, they expect you that okay, Lagos big boy, you're a Lagos bad boy, and girls like bad boys. I don't actually like bad boys like you. So they tend to really want to over exaggerate their body count just because
they want to feel among the bad boys.
They want to have a high body count, but it actually doesn't matter. But it does. Because when you and your fellow big boys are sitting on a round table discussing about shit, girls, money, and all that things guys discuss when they're alone, they expect you to have a really high body count. So, if you watch to this point, comment you're awesome, because I'm awesome. Okay? If you are watching up to this moment, I want you to give this video a really big thumbs up. Smash that like button. Smash it. Subscribe if you have not already. Wait, you've not subscribed yet? Oh, okay. Let me just wait for you. Subscribe. See you in my next video.
Yeah, that's my emotion. You just